2005 to 2009 Mustang seat install, and I'm gonna put black seats in place of the red seats. Here are the tools you need: 13 millimeter, 15 millimeter, and a plastic wedge. And let's show you what to do first. All right, put your seat all the way forward and use your plastic wedge and remove the plastic covers. This is 13-inch socket. Nope, I'm sorry, 15-inch socket. Take these off and put your seat back. Seat forward, lean it back, and unplug the appropriate airbag plugs and seat electronics. And then what I suggest, make sure you open your door completely. I like to install a fender cover right here because these rails on this seat will scratch your paint, and I've seen a lot of people do that. And then remove your seat. The back seat's easy. You just pop the two plastic parts out, lift up the bottom of the seat, and that will lift right out. And then for your back seats, just lift down, take one bolt from the bottom there, and then under here, take out your 13 millimeter. Same on the other side there. And then lift it out. You can leave that center bracket. And then here's the bracket that will be reinstalled. And then what you're going to do, a little vacuuming, and then do everything in reverse. Now, if you ever want to do your interior, like your headliner, your side sail panels, these back panels, even this back cover, you want to change the color of your interior, this is a good time to do it, because all these are held in by push pins. You know, you got to take your seat belts off. Those are held by bolts. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. All right, put one side in, put this bracket here until you get the other side in. Okay, put this bad boy in, lift it up over here, pull your seat belts. You gotta reach down in here and get the seat belts here. And then go ahead and buckle them and pull. And then push. All right, back seat's in. Okay, now to the front seat, you just do the reverse. Put the seat in, tilt it back, plug in the proper plugs. 4 bolts, and these bolts in the front are sometimes hard to line up, and you really got to work with them. Okay, put your other seat back in, and then line up your holes. Okay, after you got it seated in place, then roll the seat backwards and plug in your appropriate plugs. Okay, and then start working your big bolts in here. Okay, tilt it up and then rack it up. Okay, and you take these things, and they have a hook right there that goes in to that little slot. You got to kind of push them down and force them on just to get them to look good. And that's your seat install for 2005-2009 Ford Mustang. I'll do the driver's side. You don't need to watch me do that. By the way, the driver's seat's a little bit heavier than the passenger seat. So wear a waist belt. Adios.